Hello everybody, my name is Luisa Tunjano. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am 29 years old and I talk about my daily routine. My daily routine begins when I wake up every day at 43 a.m. Then I get up at 5 o'clock, very sleepy. I wash my face with cold water to wake up. And after that, I brush my teeth carefully. I take a shower at 6 o'clock and I get dressed quick. At the 6:30 a.m., I have breakfast in the restaurant and then again I brush my teeth with strawberry flavored toothpaste. I leave home at 7:30 a.m. I go to work by bike. I get to work at 8 o'clock a.m. I have lunch at 12:30 a.m. on a mall, and I finish work very late at 7 p.m. o'clock. When I get home, I take a shower every day. I relax for a while and watch TV until 9 p.m. o'clock. I don't have dinner and I go to the bed before 11 p.m. I describe these pictures. Okay, the pictures shows people doing different activities in the park. They seems to be young people. People are wearing comfortable clothes, pants, t-shirts, skirts, and tennis. So I guess it's spring. It looks as if they are feeling over the project, excited and very happy. In this example, I describe these four people, describe their clothes. The first one is Amy. Amy is wearing a dress tied with many colors. Andy is wearing a t-shirt, red and black pants. Dina is wearing a white top, yellow pants and black high heel. And Bibi is wearing a transparent dress with black women's underwear. That is all. Thank you.